Good morning from the Swan Resort here at Walt Disney World. We're here today because the Swan and Dolphin are opening up a new building, or have opened a new building called the Swan Reserve. And we're gonna go and have a quick tour of it and take a look around. Also, we'll get to see the ribbon cutting of the brand new building. So let's head on over. Just a little overview shot of it. So the Swan Reserve, as well as the Swan and Dolphin, are part of the autograph collection of Marriott, so you can use your Marriott points here. Also, you get the same benefits as the deluxe resorts at Walt Disney World. Early park admission, you get buses that go to the resorts, and also Magic Band privileges. Having a look around the lobby as soon as we walk in. Very clean and very contemporary looking. So as soon as you walk in, you just head straight up the escalators, and they're telling us that this is a very convenient central point of the resort. So let's go up there and see what's up there. So you can see we are right across from the Dolphin and the pool area for the Dolphin, the large grotto pool. And then there's the Swan over there. So as soon as we get to the top of the escalator, we've got concierge and reception and mobile check-in. Across from check-in, we've got the lobby bar, and that looks out on the pool out there. So this lobby bar is called Stir. And you can see they've got coat hooks and purse hooks underneath, as well as plugs and USB chargers. You guys know I love my USB chargers. And then if you remember back to the Swan and Dolphin Classic video that we put up, and we'll put a link to that in the description down below, they have this vintage cocktail shaker right here. And we saw that in action at the Food and Wine Classic. And like I said, it looks straight out onto the pool. But the good thing about this resort is if you wanted to get a more exciting experience and use the grotto pool over at the Dolphin, in between the Swan and Dolphin, you could, because every amenity that is included with the Swan and Dolphin is also included here. So you could use any amenity at any of the three areas of the Swan, the Dolphin, or the Swan Reserve. And there's also a pool bar outside. Just off of the hotel lobby bar area, we find the elevators and also the Disney vacation planning areas that'll help you with park reservations or food reservations, like restaurant reservations, anything that you need to enhance your Disney vacation while you're here on property. This is kind of neat. Sitting out on one of the coffee tables here in the lobby, they've got Winnie the Pooh and Cinderella and Sleeping Beauty. Looks like some vintage books. So just on the other side of Stir, so Stir is behind the windows here. This is Tangerine, which is the pool bar. And that looks out over the pool area. Very nice. Got some cabanas over here. Looks like we've got about 4 cabanas. And there's also a little fire pit seating area over here. Be nice for the cool nights that might be coming up. Also some great views. So if you had one of these rooms, you would have a great view of the pool. And I'm sure you would also have a view of maybe Hollywood Studios, which is kind of right over there. So because this bar is Tangerine, they have all kinds of citrus elements everywhere, all the way down to the planter bottoms, sort of look like oranges. We got fresh lemons and limes decorating the bar top. This is the quick service location called Grounds, where you can get breakfast sandwiches right now. And they have a nitro cold brew on tap where you can get different coffees, as well as grab-and-go items. We've got a banh mi, a spicy chicken cordon bleu. Sounds pretty delicious. And salads and stuff like that over there. The only reason that we're seeing breakfast sandwiches up there right now is because it is morning time, but around lunchtime this will switch over to a more lunch-style dinner menu for sandwiches that are grab-and-go. Also, here's a better look at some of the other things that are available here at the Grounds place. This is just off the pool for Grounds, and the lobby bar, which is Stir, is right behind us. And now we're heading over to see Amare, which is the breakfast, lunch, and dinner sit-down restaurant. Looks like there's a nice open concept kitchen here, as well as a breakfast buffet style area. Ooh, so we can get, because this is just the breakfast menu right now. So we got steel cut oatmeal, biscuits and gravy, sausage and bacon, Riddles O'Brien potatoes. I don't know what that is. I figure I'm not going to open this because I'm not eating here right now. We got waffles and pancakes, eggs Benedict, scrambled eggs. And then of course, various pastries and, you know, bagels and toast that you can make, some fresh fruit, some parfaits, some various pastries like croissants and muffins, cold cereals and cold juices. Here's a look at the menu for the a la carte stuff. I'm gonna go through this really quick just because. Oh, and here's a look at the breakfast buffet, $35.99 a person. And then here's some more of the a la carte options. Oh. And for the kids, they've got a skateboarding Mickey that they can color. They said that this is the new signature restaurant, and they said between the 3 properties there are 22 restaurants and lounges. So we're heading into a family/executive suite. Oh, okay, so we're getting ready to see basically 3 different styles of room in one.
So this room, from the living room area to the right, is what your typical, if you would book a family or executive suite, that's going to be this room here, the living room to the right. A standard room is that one that's connecting right there. If you're to book a 2-bedroom suite, it's what we're seeing right now, all 3 rooms. And then there's also a junior suite we can show you across the way.
This is a 2-bedroom suite.
This is, yep, all 3 rooms is a 2-bedroom suite. You're in the standard room right now if you're just to book a standard room. And then the family suite is this one in that bedroom. I'll be in the hallway out of your way.
So we are now looking over at Epcot. Ooh, that would be such a good view of the fireworks from right here. We can see Disney Springs over there. And then we can see just the parking lot of Hollywood Studios right here. And Fantasia Gardens Mini Golf. Okay. Ooh, I like these little birds here. Yes. Lots of USBs. Lots of USBs. Also, I love the artwork in here. Let's have a look in this closet real quick. Oh, it's a bright orange closet. And there's another one behind the other door over here. Just a single vanity. Nice shower with a rainfall shower head and a handheld shower head. Little makeup mirror over here. Here are the shower or the shampoos and conditioners. Lots of towels. But there is another vanity here that you could use with the commode. So what we're heading into right now is what would be considered a standard room. So off on the left is the bathroom. So this pretty darn big bathroom. A tub.
Really orange.
From the bathroom, we turn. We look, these are 2 full-size beds. Once again, tons upon tons of plugs. USBs and the such. Everything's bright orange. This is sort of that like citrus nod. Lots of storage. Of course, a coffee maker. And then more USBs over here, more USBs in the light. And then this has a view of Epcot. Also, there is storage underneath the beds for your luggage. So we're heading into a junior suite. Kind of sort of the same setup. We got a commode here. A little bit bigger bed. This looks like a king-size bed. Pull-out couch. A little sitting area over here with the closets. And then we have a view of Blizzard Beach over there. Animal Kingdom. And that's all that I'm sort of seeing from right here. It looks like Epcot's kind of right over there. And then from the bedroom into the shower area. So no tub in this one. And this is a junior suite. Commode's right behind this door. We saw that when we first walked in to the left. Single vanity. So yeah, this one would be good for families with older children maybe. Rather than like, we need the tub for Jackson. It's just easier with a tub. So I think we would be better off in maybe a standard room or a 2-bedroom. In this section of the executive suite, there is a microwave. So that's good to know. a microwave, and a little refrigerator. I don't think there's a freezer in it. Nope, just a refrigerator. So it's like a drink cooler, as they call it. So people have started to filter out of the room, so I wanted to show you just kind of like an overview. This is a standard room. Bathroom here on the left. Closet. I like the full-size mirror. Makes it very nice to be able to check your appearance. Come in, 2 full-size beds or queen-size beds. There is a refrigerator in here, right here behind this. There's a safe over there. Coffee maker. And we have a view of Epcot. And this is probably the hotel room that has the most USBs in it that I've seen. They're kind of everywhere. Also, floor-to-ceiling windows, pretty amazing. Just gonna have a quick look around the executive suite. There's a microwave back there, little refrigerator, and then a full table, seating area with a pull-out couch, and then into the bedroom. Have a king-size bed in here. There's another little refrigerator in there. Like I said, lots of USBs everywhere. Then we go into the shower area with a vanity, and then the commode here has another sink next to it. So if you were staying here, you can stay in the standard room, you could stay in the executive suite, or you could stay in the 2-bedroom, which is what we're seeing right now, which is a standard room that is attached to the executive suite. We'll just run through the junior suite really quick. As soon as you walk in, commode on the left, bathroom through there. There's a king-size bed with a pull-out couch, a seating area with a couple of closets over there. This one feels very roomy compared to the standard room. And then as we turn the corner, there is the shower. So like I said, no tub in this one, but there is a little refrigerator. Oh no, that's the safe. The refrigerator is here, but there is no microwave in this one. There's a little like hidden drink area where you keep your ice bucket and the coffee maker. Now we've made it up to the 15th floor and we're checking out a view. Wow, it is expansive up here. Oh, and the marble everywhere. It's very beautiful. So up here there's an area called View Terrace. And this will give you views of Epcot, so you'll be able to come up here and watch the fireworks. We can see Disney Springs. We can see a little bit of Hollywood Studios over here. I'm wondering if I can see anything else. I can see Gaylord Palms over there. Disney Springs, Epcot. So just over there, that's where we were looking to see. Magic Kingdom was that way, Epcot is that way. That's the dolphin right there. Actually, you can see Epcot just through there. And this is View. So View up here on the 15th floor is a rental space. So they're hoping to do a lot of weddings here. And it is a beautiful rental space too. And then if we kind of peek this way, you can see Hollywood Studios. That big blue building is Rock and Roller Coaster. Just past it you can see Slinky Dog. Kind of right there, that red track. These spires are the backside of Black Spire Outpost, or Batuu. And we can see the backside of Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. So unfortunately, even though you have a fantastic view of both Epcot and Magic Kingdom, this area of the resort is events only. So you'd have to be up here for a wedding or some sort of meeting or somebody that rented out this space, the View space, in order to see the fireworks from up here. But I bet you they're really cool looking. Back down in the lobby, and there is some silver Mickey and Minnie statues to greet you as you walk in. So this isn't the lobby, this is the Bell Services. Okay, so Bell Services when you first walk in, and then the lobby is actually up the escalator or the elevator. And then back here is more meeting spaces. So where we just came from was the 15th floor, all the way up at the top, and that was a meeting space or an event space. I love a hotel that has umbrellas available for you to use while you're staying here. We are outside for the ribbon cutting, and they've got the gigantic gold scissors out here. Got 2 pairs of them, ready for the ribbon cutting.
Good morning and welcome. My name is Sean Gurney, Area General Manager here at the wonderful Walt Disney World Swan and Dolphin, and now the future Walt Disney World Swan Reserve. Now, this is the moment we've been waiting for the official ribbon cutting to take place with our honorees and our special guest as well.
So from Bell Services, which is located just out there where we watched the ribbon cutting, we're headed into the meeting spaces. Looks like they all have nautical names, like this one's Reef. Over here we've got Harbor. I kind of like this Epcot element in the ceiling too. This is one of the meeting spaces. I like that there are windows. This is Oasis 3. It looks like we've got some food options from the grab and go over here. Chicken Caesar salad. We've got roasted red rooster potato salad. Baby tomato and Vidalia onion cucumber sweet Dijon dressing. Caprese salad. Semolina couscous and apple cranberry. Sliced roasted turkey breast. Angus beef tenderloin. Ooh. Shaved smoked Virginia ham and cheddar cheese. Smoked mushroom, quote unquote, BLT with oyster mushrooms. And this is vegetarian, so not vegan, but vegetarian. So there you have it. That was our trip out to the Swan Reserve to have a quick look at it. We will definitely be back to stay here, but the rooms look really nice. Like I like the idea of having a lot of room and a lot of options of different room configurations. You can get the standard room, you can get the junior suite, you can get the executive suite, you can get a 2-bedroom. And then they also have presidential suites and stuff like that, which I'm sure were taken up by they had all the investors and all the hotel groups, and the owners were all here. So I have a feeling they were all staying up in the presidential suites. But yeah, I can't wait to come back here and stay. It looks awesome. I can't wait to try the food. One thing that they did say is that anybody can come and have the food. You don't have to be staying here to eat at the restaurants or enjoy the bars. So I think we'll be back one day just to have dinner. I feel like we will bring Jackson here for his first taste at seeing fireworks in real life, because we can get a room that has a view of Epcot and we can see Harmonious from the room. That way he, like, if it's too loud for him, like, we can kind of ease him into fireworks. I don't know. I'm excited to stay here. It's a good location. It's got a great view. The only little disappointment that I had is that just normal day guests, even people staying at the resort, can't go up to the view to see the view. You have to have rented it out for a gathering, like a wedding or something like that. Then you can use the view terrace and watch the fireworks. But just normal guests of the resort even can't go up there. A little bit disappointing, but the fact that there are so many good rooms with views kind of make up for that. So all in all, a fantastic day. Wanted to say thank you to the Swan Reserve for having us out so that we can have a look around and get you guys a first view of it. And with that being said, we are off. We'll see you guys tomorrow. And now it's time to pay the price.